There's an ongoing effort to help victims of the wildfires. A famed racetrack in the LA area is now providing space for a pop-up donation site. NBC 10's Bianca Beltran has this story from California.
All of this is the power of community, driven by people who just want to help, giving what they have.
What started with food vendors giving out warm meals in Pasadena grew into a massive donation center at Santa Anita Park, where people displaced by the wildfires can get clothing, water, whatever they need, all free.
In my time of need, there was a lot of people that lifted me up and believed in me before I believed in myself, and I just want the people of LA to know that they're not alone. We feel your pain, and we're here for you.
This grassroots effort spread through social media, attracting thousands of volunteers.
It's amazing. It makes my heart glad to know that we can help. It's not going to change your loss, but if we can make a small difference, then we all coming out here. It's them today, but it could be us tomorrow.
Truckloads of donations poured in throughout the day Saturday. People showed up from all over LA, some driving from hours away to give what they could.
I wish we could do more, but it's nice to see everybody get together for a good cause.
Many families displaced by the fires arrived with heavy hearts, starting over with help from their neighbors.
Camping gear!
Yes, we might have been knocked down, but we're going to all learn to get back up again.
That was NBC 10's Bianca Beltran reporting from California. The site will be accepting donations through Wednesday. And remember, if you want to help people who have lost everything in those wildfires, just scan the QR code on your screen. It will bring you to the NBC 10 Boston app. We have a list of places where your donations will have the most impact.